Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue learning our Python basics, and in that now we'll understand what is the reserved words or the keywords used in Python. So how to list all these reserved words and what are the total number of reserved words and how to check whether a word you use is a reserved word or not. And what will happen if I start using the reserved words as a variable in my application? What are the error messages you will get it? All this we will learn. But you can also download the entire source code from our site and you can practice it in your platform. Let's learn about these keywords or reserved words. Visit this URL to get the entire source code and the content what we are discussing. You can watch the videos, come down and you will find the difference between the keywords and built-in functions also. And here is the link. By clicking this you will go to the GitHub and you can use your own Colab platform to execute all the codes. You can also save it to your system. I am in my Colab platform, so let's just try to address or develop the code, simple codes for this. So you can address how to check if the string is reserved word or not. So import keyword. This is a library available, so it's available in Colab platform. I need not have to install it again. Now let me just go to the next line, print. Okay, it has given me, or you can use anything you want. So keyword is keyword. I am checking, so it will return me true or false. Let's just run this and see. It's true. So for is a keyword or a reserved word. Now let me just make it true. It is true. So true itself is a reserved word. So you can just keep on trying. So return. Why return? I am saying is return is the data when you return from the function and all will use return. So it's true. Now this return I will make it uppercase R. Let's just see what will happen now. False, because case sensitive. So the return lowercase is different than return in R in uppercase. So you can just understand that. Let us prepare the list of reserved words used in Python. Let's just print the total list. So print again keyword. Now because I am imported already in the upper cell, so I need not write again import keyword here. So let's just run it. Yeah, you can see the big list has come up here. Up to this point you can see the list is there. So you can search whatever it is. Okay, let's find out what is the total number or what is the number of it. Code. Now I am just print len. Len is the length. It is any string. What are the number of characters or any elements are there iterable, I can get this. So here len. Now fine. So it has understood generate. Okay, it given a lot of things I advised to me. Let me print len. Okay, one more closing bracket keyword kw list. Now what is the, yeah, it is 35. So the version which is running in this system or in this Colab platform now have 35 reserved words. All the list is here at the top. So this is the one list and the total number is 35. So it may change in future also, because with the version something may be removed or something may be added also. Let us check if def is reserved word or not. Def, usually it's used to define a function. So now let me just assign a variable. I am giving a value. It has already told me. So okay, let's run it. Let's see what the error message it gives. Invalid syntax, because it doesn't consider it trying that it is understanding it as that you are declaring a function, but what actually we are assigning a value to it. So it is giving me my error. So you can just see def is not there. And similarly you can check it also, is keyword true or is keyword tells us what is the status of it. So let's just run this. True means these are all the reserved keywords and inside our Python. So we are not supposed to use this as a storing data or anything as a variable. We should not use it. So built-in functions, here it is. Okay, this is just to understand what is the built-in function and all this thing. We'll again in detail we'll discuss about the built-in functions. So for I in dir built-ins print, this is a total list of functions, you can get it. So you can, that's a big list will come. Anyway, this we will going to discuss in detail. So hide the output. Now if the word is Python is a built-in, okay, fine, here it is. You can check it what Python built-in function or not check if a word is a fine. We have already seen this keyword is keyword true. You can, by using this same thing, you can just one more line, you return, for, if, all these are. Note that in other languages also, it is not that Python use this built-in reserved words. Other languages also have the reserved word. So if is a something where almost every language will have this as a reserved word. C, you can talk about PHP, everything, all languages, because it's a conditional check, very frequently used. So this is fine. You can see sum is also, when I am checking this, you can say total number of friends, enter a number, sum is 89, sum is a built-in function. Now how your IDE is handling it, I am just giving you one example. Say your platform IDE or integrated development environment where you are using your Python. So how that handles, usually whatever, wherever, even Visual Studio Code or anything, what you are using it will highlight the internal keywords in a different color. Got it? Now let's say DEF, moment I write, you see the color is blue. DEF is equal to again 50, say I am writing. At the same time, you may say, what about the other variables? Say my string. My string, it's a simple variable, it is not a reserved word. So you see the color here, it's not changing. I can assign the data to here. See the color here. How the moment I type DEF, it takes it to as a blue color because it understands it's a reserved word. So that is how it is. Even IDE understand, because the list is 35 what you have seen. Any one of that I am start using it. It gives in a particular color it changes, and you can just see helped also. It says that. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any doubt, ideas, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.